Friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn parts of abacus tool. This is how abacus tool looks like. This is the frame of the abacus tool which holds all the parts. You can see the vertical lines known as rods to which beads are hooked. The horizontal rod which separates upper beads and lower beads is called unit bar. The dots on the unit bar are called unit dots. You can see the white color dots on the unit bar. These are the unit dots. The beads above the unit bar are called upper beads or heaven beads. The beads below the unit bar are called lower beads or earth beads. Hope you are all following me. Once again, I am repeating. You also repeat with me. This is the frame, the outer part of the abacus tool. This is the frame. These are the rods. This is the unit bar, unit dots. Upper beads are heaven beads. Lower beads are earth beads. These are the various parts of abacus tool. Hope you all understand. If you have any doubts, watch once more. We have discussed the parts of the abacus tool. Now I will show you how to represent numbers in abacus. This is the abacus tool. This is the unit bar and the middle dot in the unit bar has the special name which is called house pointer. Okay, now we will take the beads from the house pointer. Let's take this house pointer, this rod as the ones rod, and this is tens rod and this is hundreds rod. We can solve the problems from extreme right rod also. So here we can take this is ones, this is tens and this is hundreds. Now I will show you in the house pointer. The lower beads in the ones rod has the value 1 and the upper bead has the value 5. In tens rod, lower beads has the value 10. Each lower bead has the value 10 and upper bead has the value 50. In hundreds rod, each lower bead has the value 100 and the upper bead has the value 500. So before doing any problem in the abacus, we have to know the values of the beads. Now I will show you how to represent numbers in abacus tool. This is the middle unit dot in the unit bar which we call as house pointer. Okay. This is the ones rod and the left side of the house pointer this is the tens rod and hundreds rod, so on. So in the ones rod, the lower beads, each bead has the value 1. In the tens rod, each bead has the value 10. Now we go to upper beads. In the ones rod, the upper bead has the value 5. Remember children, upper bead has the value 5. If it is in tens rod, it has the value 50. Okay. If it is in the hundreds rod, it has the value 500. Okay. Understood children? Okay. This is how we have to represent the values in the abacus. Now let's start with number 1. How to show number 1 in abacus tool? Let's go to ones rod. Take the lower bead 1. This is number 1. Okay, understood? This is number 1. This is how we have to show in the abacus, number 1. Next, number 2. Take another bead. This is number 2. Now 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Take 3 lower beads. This is number 3. Okay, after 3, 4. Take another bead. Now it is 4. Okay, now after 4 the number is 5, but we don't have another bead. So what we have to do?
you just have to clear the lower beads and take the upper bead, because upper bead has the value 1 if it is in the ones rod. This is how we have to show 5 in the abacus. Okay. After 5, what is the number? 6. 5 plus 1 is 6, right? So we have already 5. So take 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. This is 6. After 6, take one more bead. This is 7. Okay. After 7, 8. Take another bead. This is 9. So children, by using ones rod, we can show numbers from 1 to 9. See, till 9 we have represented in ones rod. Okay. After 9, which number comes? Number 10, right? But to show the number 10, we have to move to tens rod. This is the tens rod. See, this rod is the tens rod. We have the beads which has the value 10. Okay. So now clear the beads. This is the way you have to clear the beads. Take your index and thumb finger and do like this. This is how you have to clear the beads. Now number 10. This is 10. Tens rod bead has the value 10. So if you have to show the number 10, just take the tens rod, one bead. Okay, this is 10. After 10, which number comes? 11. 10 plus 1, 11. This is 10. This is 1. 10 plus 1, this is 11. Okay. This is 12. This is 13. 10 plus 3, 13. Okay. Now 14. 10 plus 4, 14. Okay. Now after 14, which number comes? 15. So take the lower beads, take out the lower beads and add the bead 5. Upper bead has the value 5, right? So 10 plus 5, 15. This is how we have to show 15 in abacus tool. After 15, 16. Take another one bead. It is 16. 10, 5, 1. Total 16. Now 17. Take one more bead. 17. 18. 19. Okay. After 19, what is the number? Which number comes? 20. So just clear the beads in ones rod. Take another bead in tens rod. So 10 plus 10, 20. 2 tens make 20. So this is how we have to show 20. So till now we have shown from numbers 1 to 20. In the same way, you have to show by adding the ones and the tens. So up to 99 we can show the numbers in abacus by using ones and tens. From 1 to 99 we can show. See, I have shown you from 1 to 20, right? So same way, if you are adding tens and ones, according to the number you can represent up to 99. Okay, this is how 99. 9 in tens and 9 in ones. It makes number 99. This is 99. Okay, understood children? Okay, if you have any doubts, you can watch video once more so that you can have a clear picture. Okay, let's take some examples for you so that you will understand better. First, clear the beads. See how to clear the beads? This is how you have to clear the beads. In abacus, before solving any problem, you have to clear the beads. Okay, keep practicing so that you will do it very fast. Okay, first we will take, I have taken 10 examples so that you will have the clear picture. Okay, number 3. First we have to take number 3. Number 3 is the single digit number. So we can show it in the ones rod only. 1, 2, 3. This is number 3. Or you can add at a time. 3. This is number 3. Understood children? I am clearing the beads. So 3 we have seen. Next number is 7. 7 is nothing but we don't have 7 ones bead. So we have to, what we have to do? We have 5 and ones. So take 1 5 and 2 ones beads. This is 7. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7. This is how 7 is represented in abacus. Okay, this is 7. Okay, clear the bits. 7 is over. Now 9. So take all the beads in one rod at a time, which shows 9. Okay, 5 plus 1 6, 7 8 9. This is 9. Okay, done. Clear the beads. 9 is over. Now 5, single digit 5. So just to take upper bead 5, this is 5. Simple, right? Okay, clear the beads. Now I will show you two digit number 23. Okay, take 2 beads in tens and 3 beads in ones. This makes 23. See, 23. 2 at tens rod, 3 and ones rod. This is 23. Right? Understood, right? Simple. 23 is over. Now 45. Okay, take 4 beads in tens rod and take upper bead 5 in ones rod. This is 45. Okay, 4 5 45. Okay, clear the beads. 45 is over. Now 77. 7 in the tens place and again 7 in the ones place. 77. Take 7 in tens rod, 7 in ones rod. You can add at a time like this, so that your time will be saved. Take at a time by using both of your hands. Okay, 7 in the left hand, 7 in the right hand. So 77. Okay, understood, children? Clear the beads. Now 85. Okay, 8 in the tens place, 5 in the ones place. Okay, 85. Take 8 in tens and 5 in ones. Okay, this is 85. Okay, understood, children? 8 5 85. Okay, now we are taking the last example, 98. Okay, take all the beads in the tens, which makes 9. If it is in the tens, right, so it has the value 90. 9 tens make 90. So now in ones, what is the number? 8. Take 8 in the ones rod. So 9 8 98. 9 tens and 8 ones make 98. Understood, children? Okay, hope you all understand.
Thank you.